Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a beautiful blue bird sachet. It is the Chinese style, and in the upper left corner it is my information about the Facebook, Pinterest, Twitch, Instagram, Gmail, and my Esty Shop. You can follow me, and if you have any question, you can ask me and add my friend, add me as your friend, and feel free to ask me any questions or leave me any comments below. And I am happy to answer and to talk with you. And also I'm doing the summer sale for my Esty Shop. Anything that's over $20, I get it 10% off. You can enter the coupon code SUMMERS to get 10% off. And also, if you also the total order is over $35, you can get 20% off using the coupon code SUMMER1. And I always get out the gift to the people that buys my items, that buy my accessories. And this beautiful blue bird sachet is one of the items and one of the gift to anyone that buy my buy my hair accessory. And then some of the hair accessory hair sticks that have a little problems, like breather piece, breather pedal and the top, or the change colors. I get them all out as a gift. The gift, how many gift is depends on the total amount that you buy and order. The sales is beginning on tomorrow and until the June 30th. And if you like the item in my shop, go and buy it tomorrow. And don't forget to use the coupon code SUMMER for 10% off and minimum purchase $20, and SUMMER1 coupon codes for 20% off and least minimum purchase at $35. And back to this blue bird sachet. I forget to tell you to add the quarter-inch seam allowance. If you know how to do this, how to sewing things, you know everything have to add the seam allowance, right? I don't know what to say now. I think I finished my talking. Blah blah. And this sachet that I use, the thread I use is yarn, because I can't find any thread that is I can't find any thread that is like I don't know how to say that word, but I don't have that. Okay, sorry. I think you know what I am talking. Sorry about that. And that's it. And I will see you next time, and bye and good luck. Hope you enjoyed this video.